Welcome to Code Sutra. In this video, we will be solving LeetCode problem number 2352, equal row and column pairs. In this problem, you are given an n cross n matrix and you have to find how many rows are equal to columns. For example, if we take 277, this column is equal to the third row, that is 277. So in this case, the answer will be 1. Let's take another example. 167 is 167. This column, is it present in any one of the rows? No, right? So the answer in this case will be just 1 because we only have 277 equal to 277. So let's take another example and explain the brute force approach. So first thing, our count will be 0. Then what is the first row? The first row is 3122, and let's try to find this 3122 in any one of the columns. So how many columns have 3122? Only one column has 3122, right? So we will increase the count by 1. But the thing here is you have to compare every column. You have to go through every column and see if 3122 is present. So the count increases by 1, just 1 in this case. Again we will go to 1445. That is the second row. That is 1445. Does any column have this 1445? No, right? So the count won't increase by anything. The next row is 2422. Yeah, again we count the columns. Is there any 2422? Yes, the count increases by 1. That is, it will become 2. Again 2422. Is there any 2422? Yes, we have, right? That is the third column. So the count again increases by 1. And our answer will be 3 in this case. But you look here, if you look here very carefully, we are doing something repeatedly. What is that repeatedly? And we will have to reduce that to arrive at a better solution. So what is that we are repeatedly doing? For example, we already know 2422 is present. And again we are checking. So the problem is, if we have same columns or if we have same rows, we'll be double checking. So what is the idea here? We will store one of the rows or the columns in a matrix in a hash map, and we will check if it is already existing. For example, we will store, let's go to the better approach. Now 3122. Let's store this 3122. And what is the count of 3122? It will just be 1, right? So the next one is 1445. Let's store this value in a hash map. So 1, 4, 4 and 5, and let's increase the count by 1. That is, the count will be equal to 1. What is the next one? 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2. So what will be the initial count? The count will be 1. Then when we go to the next column again, it is the same array, so the count will increase by 2. So now once we have this, the problem becomes easier. What we will do? 3122 is the first column. Is 3122 there? Yes, 3122 is there. And the count is equal to 1. So our count will increase by 1. The next is 1444. Is 1444 there in this hash map? No, right? So our count won't increase by anything. So it will be 1 only. The next is 2422. If you look here, 2422 has occurred twice. So our count will increase by 2. That is, 1 will directly become 3. So instead of making it compare twice as we did in brute force, we are able to directly get the count. So the count now increases by 2 and became 3 from 1. The next is 2522. Is 2522 there? No. So our final answer will be equal to 3. So one more careful thing we have to observe here is that we are making a hash map of string and an integer, where integer will be the count and the string will be the array. Why are we converting an array into string? Why? Because array, the hash implementation of array is different from a string. How it is implemented in a hash is, in an array is, it will take the reference of the array, and even though the arrays are same, you will be getting different values and it will be stored as different values. For example, if it was an array, 2422 will be 1, and again there will be one more 2422 and the count would have been 1. So just to avoid that, we are converting the array into string and storing it. So that is the first thing that we'll be doing. And what we are doing is, we are storing every row and increasing the count if it is already there. Then again, for every column, what we are doing is, we are increasing the count if it is already present by the number of value whichever is present here. So finally we will be returning the count value. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe.